Hey guys, it's Brian. Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be another install video as part of my 2020 Road Glide Limited install series. So this is my 2020 Road Glide Limited. I've had this bike for about a year. We've been doing various upgrades on the bike. So if you're interested in Road Glide content, now would be a good time. Consider subscribing. I would appreciate that. So I bought this bike used last year. We've been building it out. Someone put a Screaming Eagle filter on this, the snorkel filter. Not a really big fan of the way it looks, obviously, because it's pushed into here. It's pushed into the lower. I just think it's kind of silly. So the folks at Khrome Werks were nice enough to send me their new Instigator air cleaner. And this particular Instigator air cleaner has the cover that matches the tips of my Khrome Werks exhaust. I went ahead and put full Khrome Werks exhaust with the Eclipse finish. So this will be really cool because this is going to then match the tips of the exhaust and sort of tie it in. Been a huge fan of Khrome Werks. I've run them on my Ultra Limited as well. The finish is great. The quality is great. So I thought this would be a really good piece to add to the bike. Now, just for the sake of time, I'm going to take this Screaming Eagle air filter off camera so we can speed it up. And then I'm going to take you through step by step of installing the Khrome Werks air filter. All right, guys, we're back. So as you can see, we had a little bit of an audio issue. That's why I went ahead and put things up on the screen. It might actually be a little bit easier for you guys to follow along. It's going to give you all the tool sizing steps that I took, actually allow me to clear my thoughts, which never happens on camera. So anyway, air cleaner's installed. I think it looks amazing. The tracer tips here tie into the tracer tips that are on my Khrome Werks full exhaust system that has the Eclipse finish, which I absolutely love. I really think the air cleaner looks well. Install wise, maybe 30 minutes if we weren't filming and having crazy audio issues and having to shoot the outro 3 times. Everything's fine on YouTube, it really is. But I really like the way it turned out. It gives the bike a much more streamlined look. I like the way, like I said, that it ties into everything. I know I've kind of beaten that like a dead horse, but that's me. I like the way everything ties in. Been really happy with my Khrome Werks products. I'm going to put a link in the description and in the video itself for the full exhaust. You can see what it sounds like on my Road Glide. Like I said, very happy with Khrome Werks products, and this is going to be yet another upgrade in that series that I'm doing on this Road Glide and building it out. So if you're interested in Road Glide content, now would be a really good time to consider subscribing. I'm very interested to see in the comments, what do you think of the air cleaner? What do you think of sort of this reverse design? I'm going to put a lot of B-roll in here so you can see it from different angles and you know, see the pipes again, because, you know, let's beat that like a dead horse. But I really like the way it turned out. I think it was a really simple install and it makes a huge difference in the bike. So that's really all I had, guys. I look forward to seeing your comments and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching as always, and please remember, you're not alone. Thanks, guys.